Sometimes, life can feel too hard for us. You might be struggling with purpose, motivation, or just the weight of tasks that seem too heavy to bear right now. But know this, you are not alone. You just need to have the courage to shift your thinking, one thought at a time. So, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself this. Today is a gift, brimming with opportunities waiting to unfold. It's easy to complain about all the things weighing you down, but I urge you to replace those thoughts with saying out loud, I want to be someone who gets out of bed. Why complain when you can embrace the very essence of your existence and fulfill the tasks you were born for? Huddling under blankets may feel pleasant, but you were meant for more than mere comfort. Hear the birds as they diligently contribute to the order of the world. They fulfill their purpose, and now it's time to get up and fulfill yours. There is strength to be found in enduring the process of improving yourself through the actions you take every day. So, as the sun rises, so does your chance to make a difference. Embrace the dawn with gratitude and enthusiasm, for the world eagerly awaits your presence.